Are you tired of feeling sluggish and craving sugar all the time? You are not alone, and it's more common than you think. Many people struggle with sugar cravings and energy crashes, leading to frustration and unhealthy eating habits. You might have tried various diets or DIY solutions, but they often leave you feeling deprived or unsatisfied. That's where SugarMute comes in. This innovative supplement is designed to help curb those pesky sugar cravings while boosting your energy levels. Unlike other products, SugarMute combines natural ingredients that work together to create a balanced response, helping you feel more in control of your cravings. In fact, one key ingredient in SugarMute has been shown to support healthy blood sugar levels, making it a popular choice among users looking for a natural boost. So, if you're ready to take charge of your cravings